Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm excited to share with you a tool that was specifically created to help us optimize our product listings using AI, using artificial intelligence. I don't know what it is about the AI videos lately, but there seems to have been quite a bit of interest, and it doesn't surprise me that eventually someone launched a tool that is specifically built, like I said, for the sellers, okay? It's not just going to the OpenAI tool and trying to get it to spit out what we want it to do. This is made specifically for us, for the sellers. We can use it on Etsy, Amazon, Redbubble, really anywhere, okay? And it's specifically going to be useful for Etsy after a recent change that they announced not too long ago. So I'm going to put it in that context for this video and show how useful it really is. So let's get started. Real quick reminder, in the description, I've got some free resources for you. I've got a link to my weekly print-on-demand giveaway, which you can find right there at the top. I've got a link to my 8-day print-on-demand mini course, completely free, delivered by email. And I've got a link to my print-on-demand Facebook group, so check all of those out. Now, in the context of AI generating SEO optimized content for our listings, I did just want to share something from the person that was really in charge of building this tool, because he aimed to prevent keyword stuffing and really optimize this to be read by humans and to feel like it was written by a human and really make sense, which, I mean, we shouldn't settle for anything less than that if we're going to switch to using an AI tool for obvious purposes, because it's going to be much faster and easier and able to be streamlined instead of doing it ourselves, which is the whole point of watching this. So he said keyword stuffing can do more harm than good. And I just wanted to kind of remind everybody that that is still true on almost every platform. I know that Redbubble sellers were getting rewarded for keyword stuffing for a while, but I still refuse to kind of go down that rabbit hole, because one day they could just tweak the algorithm and everybody who keyword stuffed could be punished. So we are doing things the right way here with this AI tool, and we are not going to keyword stuff. And yeah, let me show you how the tool actually works now. Actually, really quickly, I wanted to also, since I said I was going to do this with the context of Etsy, I went to their help center and I wanted to just share with you the update on item descriptions, okay? So this is straight from the Etsy help center. I can drop a link to this page too in the description in case you want to read it for yourself. If you're on Etsy, it's worth kind of knowing their public resources as far as getting optimized for search. So it says item description. The first 160 characters of your item description is used to create the meta description for your listing page. The meta description is the text shown under your page title on a search engine results page. Your description is important beyond the first 160 characters too. Search engines look at a page's full content. Be sure to describe your item well using your keywords and providing details about the item. Briefly describe your item in the first sentence of your description. Use keywords that you think shoppers will search to find your items. So this is specifically important at the beginning of your description. I don't have to guess. Etsy straight up tells you that they're only going to grab the first 160 characters. So even if you write out a really long description, which is not uncommon, especially for us, like a lot of us are selling print on demand. When we push a product to Etsy from a print on demand website, we know that they usually put a default description in there for us, and it's longer than 160 characters. What I recommend doing is, if that is your current approach, go ahead, use this tool, this AI tool, to get the first 160 characters roughly. It doesn't have to be exact, guys, to get that first opening part of your description and then place it just right at the top, okay? And this will be used in search. And again, it's going to also include the primary keywords. I'll show you how. All right, so we'll use this product listing right here. It's a nurse sweatshirt. You can see the title right here. It says nurse sweatshirt, nurse crewneck, school nurse gift, future nurse shirts. And if we scroll down on the right-hand side here, we can actually click this button that says learn more about this item. And you can see the description. So they've got a pretty long description, but it looks like they have like, one or two sentences that are specific to this product, and the rest look to be kind of a generic description, okay? So what I actually did here before we get to the AI really quickly is I just wanted to show you that I Googled and I found this shirt, and it looks like Etsy didn't actually use the meta description that they claimed in the help center, which is a little bit weird. I'm assuming that that is where they're moving, but maybe it hasn't been like rolled out completely yet, because we can see right here the description they used looks like, and I'm just going to speak as if a programmer was writing it. It says this insert product category item by insert shop name has insert number of favorites from Etsy shoppers, ships from, insert where it ships from. So yeah, so that's basically how they wrote their current description. And I think they're moving away from that to something more, 2022, something that's more related to the actual product we're looking at, instead of just trying to pull random variables from the product listing that we submit when we create the listing. So anyways, I wanted to show you that. So what I did here for this example is I grabbed the title and I came on over here to Insight Factory. They just released their description generator. Okay, so make sure you check it out. I always put a link in the description so you can use it. And I pasted it into the title and I pasted it into the tags. It might not be the most optimal way of using the tool, but I just wanted to show you guys like a very quick, easy way to use this AI to generate a description. Now, let me show you what it generated after I hit the generate product description button. It says, looking for a unique gift for your favorite school nurse? Look no further than our nurse sweatshirt. This stylish piece is perfect for keeping your loved one warm during cold days or nights. Not only is it comfortable, but it makes a great gift for future nurses. Order yours today and make sure to tell your favorite nurse how much you appreciate her dedication to the school community. So obviously, the fact that it has school nurse included is almost like over highlighting the fact that, this could be given to a school nurse or worn by a school nurse. So what do you say we just remove the word school? Okay, and it will do that from the top and the bottom, and then regenerate the description and see if we get one that's a little bit more generic for all nurses. All right, so this description now says, looking for a unique nurse gift, which, by the way, unique nurse gift are 3 great keywords to have in succession. It's a great phrase that you can definitely imagine a lot of people typing into Google, typing into Etsy, typing into Amazon, because again, you can use this beyond just Etsy, but I thought it was extra valuable for Etsy. Looking for a unique nurse gift? Look no further than our nurse sweatshirt. This comfortable and stylish top is perfect for any future nurse. By the way, future nurse, another great couple keywords to get indexed on. Made from 100% cotton, this shirt is sure to keep you warm while you're on duty. Plus, it makes a great gift for any nurse in your life. Order now and be sure to get one before they're all gone. So you can see that this AI is specifically attempting to write in a kind of a tone that is boastful about the product, upbeat, positive about the product, getting indexed on relevant, like related keywords, and then also, saying, hey, order now. It's dropping those subliminal hints for when humans read this stuff. It's saying, oh yeah, I should order now. I should buy. There's a reason why like they put certain text in buttons that says like buy now, add to cart, check out, etc. It's like saying what the actual action is to buy this product. And I bet you it leads to increased conversion rates. That's a sort of pricing psychology side of things. There's a guy, Nick Kalenda, who has a great blog on all things related to, psychology, customer psychology, increasing conversions. So in theory, they could use the Insight Factory description generator, maybe replace their, short description, which looks like it's probably only like, I don't even know, 80, maybe 90 characters. When you get up to 160 characters, and those are getting indexed by Google. By the way, Google's bots are also reading the whole page description. So, or not page description, but page content, right? So even though Etsy has a meta tag here, I could show you guys really quickly if you cared. So this meta tag is located right here. And you can see like this is how they kind of signal to Google what should ideally show up in the search engine results page right here. You can see it's actually working, but Google is still seeing all of the markup on the page. It's seeing everything. It's seeing the title. It's seeing the repeated things like the actual structure of the website. The drop downs and the navigation. It's seeing the shop reviews. So it's just something worth keeping in mind as you build out your listings, that you need to place extra special importance on your title and that first sentence of your description. So we can also use Insight Factory. If you guys missed my previous videos, they have some really cool stuff. Like if you want to track an Etsy shop, you can go ahead and just paste the name of the shop. So I put Kennedy Claire Couture here because, well, this shop is absolutely killing it. You can see that they have I almost just disrespected them. I was going to say 20,000 sales. No, they probably did 20,000 sales last month. They've got 140,000 sales. So this is the type of shop I want to keep an eye on because they seem to be on the pulse of what is popular, what is trendy on Etsy. So all I had to do was paste their shop name and then hit save. And from here, you can actually see that it takes about, 10, 20 seconds. Insight Factory goes, scrapes their shop, pulls in their listings. And from there, we can actually see like what listings is this shop uploading, right? Like if this shop is that successful on Etsy, why don't we, we don't have to like imitate them in the sense that we don't have to like steal their designs in that sense. You know what I mean? We can do different niches, but hey, we can at least see what niches they are uploading designs to. We can check their design styles, their color schemes, learn from their mockups, etc. And just like this, guys, you can actually see Insight Factory is by default ordering the listings that they're uploading in order of newest to oldest. And we can see here listing age in days. What looks like this shop is preparing for Halloween. They've got some other stuff that says speech, nurse, thankful. So they're even getting Thanksgiving. And if you weren't sure it was Thanksgiving, by the way, Insight Factory is also giving us the tags that we should be highlighting and we should be using. So, and by the way, you don't know what to do for your tags? Boom, one click, we just copied the tags. Now we can paste them into our Etsy listings if we want to enter similar niches, guys. So this is something that like is invaluable to Etsy sellers, guys. Insight Factory, make sure you check it out. If you use the link in the description, by the way, you get free credits to use the description generator as well as the other functionality. So this is straight from them. They're hooking us up, guys. So make sure you take advantage of that. And also, if we wanted to just do another quick like test of the description generator, why don't we do, let's go Ghouls. Okay, so we'll click that. We'll go on over here to Etsy. And why don't we try this? Let's put the title at the top. All right. And then let's go ahead and grab the tags and see if it works like this. So I'll paste these into the product tags. I will click generate description. It says it can take up to 2 minutes, but you just saw that it took maybe 2 seconds. All right, let's check this out. So the product, so that we're on the same page, is Let's Go Ghouls instead of Let's Go Girls. Got it. And then the description it generated. Looking for the perfect Halloween costume? Look no further than our Let's Go Ghouls retro Halloween shirt. This hilarious and eye-catching shirt features a cute cat dressed up as a ghoul and is perfect for mommy and me outfits or toddler Halloween costumes. By the way, look at them getting indexed on some great phrases right there. For a more boho look, try our ghost shirt paired with some distressed denim jeans and boots. And don't forget the matching t-shirts. We have plenty of options to choose from. So whether you're looking for a funny and comfortable Halloween outfit or something more unique and stylish, our Let's Go Ghouls retro Halloween shirt is sure to be a hit. So you can see that we actually had quite a bit of an expanded description and some great additional content added by us just copying the tags. Notice we didn't have to sit there and write out 13 tags ourselves. We just use Insight Factory, go to the other part of the app, copy tags, and we are good to go. By the way, you can find additional products and whatnot by just using the Etsy keyword search. So if we want to just go here and type in like Halloween shirt, it's going to go ahead and give us some of the best-selling Halloween shirts on Etsy at the moment. You can copy the best-selling tags. You can use the description generator. It's got everything we need to succeed on Etsy, guys. So make sure you check out Insight Factory. That's what I wanted to show you in this video. And I'm interested to see, maybe they'll expand the functionality of their AI beyond just this. Me and my buddy who made AutomatePOD, we had thought about doing something like this in the past and ultimately like didn't do it for one reason or another. So I'm glad that Insight Factory went ahead and did it so that we can all benefit from it. So again, check it out, guys. You can get free credits to use it just by using the link at the top of the description. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.